Luo Yangzi, also known by his English name Leo Luo, is a Chinese actor and singer. Luo Yangzi, born Luo Yi, was raised in Chengdu, Sichuan, China. When he was 3, his father, who was a dance teacher, discovered his talent and started to teach him dancing. Luo was trained professionally in ballet for 11 years. In 2005, Luo was admitted to both Beijing Dance Academy and Shanghai Theatre Academy and chose to enter the latter. In 2008, Luo and his classmates participated in the 6th Lotus Award National College Dance Competition in China and performed the group ballet dance Tchaikovsky Rhapsody. After graduation, he worked as an instructor at the School of Dance of Macau Conservatory. During this time, he participated in the stage performance of the contemporary ballet Flying to the Moon and served as one of the lead dancers. The dancing drama was selected to be performed during the celebration of 10th anniversary of Macau's transfer of sovereignty in 2009. In 2020, Luo was cast in the Shanxia drama Immortality alongside Chen Feiyu, based on the novel The Husky and his white cat Shenzhen. Luo also sang the soundtrack of the drama titled Fate Begins. He also starred in the modern romance workplace drama Love is Sweet alongside Bei Lu and received positive reviews for his role as an arrogant and charming director. In 2019, Luo starred in the historical romance drama Princess Silver as a kind but distant and misunderstood prince who suffers from a poisoned illness. In 2018, Luo starred in the hit fantasy romance drama Ashes of Love as Ranyu, the gentle and regal knight immortal whose innocence and kindness later transforms into hatred and revenge when he sets out to avenge his mother's unfair death. The drama topped television ratings and was one of the most watched dramas online, and Luo's portrayal of a morally ambiguous antagonist received critical acclaim and led to increased recognition for him. In 2017, Luo co-starred in the fantasy romance drama A Lifetime Love, where he reunited with My Sunshine co-star Janice Wu. In 2016, Luo was cast as a protagonist, Chen Ming, in the crime suspense drama Voice of the Dead, an adaptation of one of the books in the Medical Examiner Dr. Chen novel series. The same year, he starred in historical fantasy drama Fox in the screen as a fox demon in love with a human. In 2015, Luo became known to audience with his role as the younger counterpart of the male protagonist, He Ye-chen, in the hit romance drama My Sunshine. In 2014, Luo starred in the science fiction campus wave drama Hello Aliens. The same year, he signed a contract with the agency Laughing Entertainment.